What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to ChriSamz channel for your property tours and update. And guys, today from the title and the description and the thumbnail, you can tell exactly what we are talking about today and where we are at. So today I can tell you guys that RealEstate phase 3 is now out for sale. Yes, you heard me correct. Chemtech is now selling phase 3 of the development. So you guys can go onto their website. If you already know a sales agent, you can reach out to them, or you can just visit the sales office and put in your application. So for those who want a Vista, which is a 2-bedroom, you can get that at the price point of $30 million. For those who want the 3-bedroom, which is a Royal, you can get that for $40 million. And guys, the Colony is now going for $37.5 million, as well as $38 million for the N units. So guys, if you're interested in phase 3 of this development, you can go on and put in your application. The units are still going up. I will be giving you guys your usual drone shot of the development. You can tell me if you see anything new. You can tell me what is missing. And as you can see, we have the expansion of the road still going on. It's now being paved, and the signal lights are also installed. So guys, the development is moving. We're at the end of 2024, and you know that the development is going to continue into the next year. So you hear what? Watch this drone video, and if you don't make up your mind yet, I hope this can help you to make a decision. But just look at what is happening with this development, and if the price is right for you, and if the location is right for you, if you believe that you can live in this unit or this development, by all means go right ahead and put in your application. So here, we'll catch you on the other side of this drone video. Alright, so you've seen it for yourselves. I know you see the pool, you know. A lot of development, they promise you a swimming pool, but you don't see it until the end of the development. But a pool is now being put in place here at RealEstate. So I guess for the first set of persons that get to move in, you will be able to access this amenity. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to always like, remember to share with those who you know are looking for properties to buy. And if you were on the fence, I hope that this video will help you now to make a decision. And guys, just around the road, there's a new furniture store down there, so nobody thinks your house are going to stay empty. You can link Supreme Traders for your brand new furnitures. I have a video on the channel, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. They have some very nice stuff inside there for sale, and I was just informed that they now do the layaway plan. So here what, check these people out. They're right on Elsha Road, right little down from RealEstate Development. If you're at Phoenix Park, it's still right around the corner. It doesn't matter where you are in Portmore, you can still link them up. So guys, bless up on yourself from ChriSamz always. And as we're coming to the end of another year, I just want to tell you guys, thanks for all the love and for all the support. And we look forward to doing more business with you in the future, whether it be next year or the year after. I will be here. I hope you will be here. And if I can bring some of your families and your friends, just share out the videos and let us take this thing worldwide. So bless up on yourself as always. And it's peace out from Chris. Peace out from ChriSamz. Take care.